Sis Jory Habrigi, shout out ma'am. Kumusta sis? Dito muna ako ha. Mamaya didiretso na ako sa YT. Para na-miss ko dito kasi ang tagal, 'di ba? Ang tagal hindi ako nag Facebook. Parang matagal. Tagal talaga. Siguro more than a year. 'Di ba sis? More than a year. Oo, more than a year ako. Nawala ako. Nawala ako sa limelight ng Meta. Anyway, maraming salamat. Slow connection. I'm so sorry. Pag slow connection. Hindi talaga maiwasan. Masyadong, kuminsan binibiro tayo ng ano. Hi! Ganda! Ma'am May! Scorial is watching. Kumusta? See you. Malapit na. See you soon. Together we'll dance the cha-cha rumba tango. Ma'am May? Musta na ma'am? Okay lang. Sis Lumari, okay lang. Oo. By next week kasi magsa-start na kami reporting. So, ganun. Medyo nag-relax konti after sa haba ng bakasyon. Who knows? Baka this, sana kita-kita pa rin tayo. Slow connection. Slow ba talaga, Sis Jo Marie? Oo, ngayon lang talaga ako nag-live. Oo. Shout out, Casey Subrevega. Kumusta ang nyo dyan? Subrevega clan? Yes, what I know is you're having your reunion? Ano ba? Family, Yes. Diyan saan? Sa Zaraga? Okay, enjoy lang. Subrevega family. Subrevega clan. Yes. Oo, wala talaga. More than a year na, si Sulieta. More than a year, wala akong live. So, sige lang. Baka... Ay, nako, ang prexy ko dito, oh. Pretty and sexy! Yes! Ayan, pretty and sexy! May mirahan na kami next week. Oh, manmirahan na kasi kami. Oh, oto tamen si Ma'am Maria Loida Mara. More than a year, diba? Yung live. So, wala lang. Yasinta lang Yuki. Yasinta lang Yuki. Oo, baby! Sir Christian Leonardo. Thank you. And of course, Ma'am Maria Loida Mara. Ulaw man ko, oh. Hindi na ako makanta. Kaya naanagot si Ma'am Loida Mara, oh. Sis Gloria de Leon Robles is watching. Good afternoon to everyone. May galaw shout out sa lahat. 6,000 o 6 ba o 4? Yes. Thank you. Do akal tanwebo man yung aki. Do akal ng baguhan kumbaga. Kay pirme lang na YouTube. Thank you, Sis Gloria. Kumusta? Takita men otro sexy otro pretty and sexy. Ma'am Rodmarie de los Santos, de la Serna Eparo, Santos pa era. Teacher Chris. Oo, Teacher Chris. Oo, diba? Pretty and sexy nga eh. Uy, naku po. Oo, nabaguhan ba ako dere? Parang as if, parang di man ko sanay sa FB. Oo, slow connection ako. Nag-a-appear dire slow connection daw. Pero ambot oy. Okay lang ba dira? Di siya di siya parang kumbaga blurred. Hindi ko makita ang ko dito Hindi ko makita sa FB ang live ko. Pambihira. Ayun. Tingnan ko daw mukha ko sa FB. Buang mangkuoy. Salamat sa 10 thumbs-ups. 8,000 the house. Thank you so much. Yes. So, kumusta mos? Manaites, Gatmarin, din ako sa FB. And of course, I have here with us si Sis Baby Rebuta. Kumusta sis? Kumusta dyan sa Israel? Oo. Manaites, kumusta? Sana bisita na naman kami dira sa Caloocan, no? Who knows, within this, here. Oy! Unta, sana. Maraming salamat. Okay lang, Sis Gloria. Yes, may ad sa YT. Okay, mamaya upunta ako sa YT. Shout out, sis Baby Rebuta. Kumusta ka dyan? Ingat ka dyan, ha? Anyway, nabaguhan ako. Pero, sige lang. Aba, si Inday Nelia Delight. Yehey, mga kalahi, welcome here. Oo, kital, ustedes, kital, miss, kumusta? Oo, in Sabacano, kital. And of course, another friend, si Inday Jennifer Dumawan. Kumusta ka, Day? Magpagaling ka? Oo. Gera pa din, sis. Di na matapos-tapos. Oo, kaya nga Sis Baby, ingat ka dyan, ha? Ingat ka dyan. I will give a not so good voice for you. Kasi the song is that good, pero ang singer, hindi magandang kumanta. Oo, sige lang, ha? Relax lang kita. Kaya by next year, by next week, medyo busy na kita, di ba? Teacher Christian, are you still there? Mag-busy na ta by next week. And everyone here, sa mga co-teachers ko, sa mga Siri High School, yes, mag-love shout out sa inyong lahat, to everyone here. Shout out Kalahi from Manaites, Gatmarin. Yes. Pero sa lahat, practice 101. Somebody walked into my life and it's right on time. Somebody looked into my eyes and read my mind. And it's true, I only need to tell you that it's you. You're everything I ever dreamed would come to me. Somebody walked into my heart, into my surprise. Somebody's tearing me apart, and it feels just fine. And it's you. I've waited oh so long to say it's you. You're everything I ever dreamed. And tonight I give always stay. Please tell me, somebody turned my life around. I'm not the same. Suddenly I don't hear a sound, only your name. And I really need you. Tonight I give in to the feelings. Yes, tonight I give in to the thrill of loving you. Tonight I give in to believing. Always stay in love this way. May sound ba? May music ba? Baka boses ko lang marinig. Sis Clarice! Sis Clarice! Ikaw shout out and thank you! Sis Gracia, wala lang. Dito lang muna ako for 30 minutes. So may anak ko magpunta ng YT. Kasi ang tagal ko din nakala. May sound ba, Sis Clarice? Sis Jumari? Hindi ko alam kung may sound ba. What I mean is malakas sounds. Okay, malakas ang sounds. How about my voice? Natabunan? Malakas sounds. Sandali ha, tingnan ko. parang nabaguhan ako dito. Sandali ha. Tingnan ko nga. Yan ba talaga pa? Pabigla-bigla. Okay, tingnan ko ha. Ay. Magandang hapon. It could be morning there. Kay Sis Gracia Hernandez. Ang shout out. And of course, we have with us here si Sis Clarissa Sumkad. Maraming salamat. Good afternoon. Good morning there. Okay. Aba, another Prexy. Si Teacher Elise. Hihi, nabaguhan ako. 12,000 the house. Thank you so much. Sandali ha. Tingnan ko ang sound kasi baka wala akong ano yung tawag. Wala. Bossing Kel! Estudyante ko yan dati. Another Prexy yan. Good morning, good afternoon. Okay, wherever you are, basta happy lang po. And, may sound. Pero hindi ko alam. Sige daw, tingnan ko daw. Tingnan ko lang ha kung may music. Okay. Tinitingnan ako. Aba! Another Prexy. Oh! Sir Cesar! Shout out! Okay, may sound pala. Shout out, Sir Cesar Nunez. May shout out and good afternoon. Yes. Shout out, of course, Sis Gracia Hernandez. Kumusta? Morning yan doon, Sis Clarice, di ba? Sa kanya. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, buenas tardes. Mayong hapon. And good afternoon. Shout out din, Sis Baby, from our good friend Clarissa Sumkad. Oh, ang mga Kalahi family andito with us, of course. And ang mga friends ko, of course, my co-teachers ko. Yes, si Bossing Kel, estudyante ko yan dati. Yes, another Prexy na naman yan siya. Anyway, thank you for joining, ha? Okay, so, kumusta po tayo? Huh? Kumusta? Oo, malapit ng klase. Kaya nga sabi ko, for more than a year, diba, na ako nag-live dito. Sabi ko, subukan ko nga. So, as what I've said a while ago, para may pagbabago. Ako lang pala, hindi ako nasanay. Diba, Sir Cesar, sabi ko nga sa iyo kahapon, sabi ko, ay, murag ako man, parang kere man tamin iyo man live. Oo, challenge mo ako eh. Sir Cesar, ha? Okay. So, anyway, sige lang. Enjoy lang po tayo, ha? Okay. So, may isa akong kanta, one of my favorites ito. turns out bad, and if your nights get long, and if she makes you sad, no need to be strong. And if you ever change your mind, thank you, and find you miss those feelings that you left behind, we could give it one more try, some magic lays in time, if you ever change your mind. Bossing Kels, thank you. Practice 101 tayo dito, ha. Thank you. I guess I'd better go. Okay, Sir Cesar. You know, I hate goodbyes. Let's not drag this out, babe. I'll see you around sometime. And if you ever change your mind and find you miss those feelings that you left behind, we could give it one more try, some magic place in time, if you ever change your mind. Go, don't look back, let the heartaches pass, and if you ever change your mind, find you miss the kamali ako ang feelings that you left behind, we could give it one more try, some magic place in time. Practice 101 talaga, totoo talaga. Ano yun? Ang requested song ni Teacher Cesar. Aba, another mataas to, ah. I'll try, ha? Sige lang, itry ko, ha? Thank you! Itry ko, ha? Itry ko. Kahit mataas.
Tummy discomforts can disrupt her learning. Give her Enfagro.
Ganun ba no? Basta dito. Ay, Teacher Madeline! Nag-practice ko diri. Shout out and good afternoon, Teacher Madeline. Saak, see you soon. Practice 101 ko diri, ha? Okay, anyway, thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Yes, okay. Mga 30 minutes lang siguro dito and then tatransfer ako sa white. Hindi ako sanay. Uy, naku po. Anyway, thank you so much. Sir Cesar! This is for you. Diba? Ganda ng song, ah. And for everyone, of course. Mataas ito, ha? Wake up, the morning's over. The bed is soft to the one where we lay. I dreamed the whole night through of how I'll say to never seen your head lying on my pillow. I've never seen your body without clothes. I can't believe these feelings I've discovered, though I'm sure it's just what every lover knows. Shout out! Now I want to cling to you or make you promise. Kian, regards from Jenny. If love's gone tomorrow, don't pretend. But right now I'm in love, and that's all I'm thinking of. And I hope this feeling never ever ends. This girl has turned into a woman, Sister Len Alabi, and I've dreamed of this moment of my life. Ana Akudo! This girl has turned into a woman, and I thank you for your tenderness last night. Shout out! And I want to love you once again tonight. Anak Candido Akudo, Day, thank you. O, diba? Ablagani yo, tan baguhan yo, kay more than a year no ayo kisinta. O, diba? Fulton, dong ke. Sir Kian, kumusta kita? Nagala shout out. And,
Bilis relief.
of course, regards kay Ma'am Jenny. Imirahan na tamin kita next week. Yes, di ba? Kabarbay lahat tamin kita, cha-cha rumba tango. Ay, oo, Ma'am Elena, Sarah, true, Ma'am Len. Oo, good afternoon and shout out. Nakita ka, nalimot lang ko. One more sleepless night, still can't get things right. I don't think you see how hard this is for me. Thank you, Sis Clarice, knowing you're leaving. Thank you for the 100 stars. Can't we talk things through the way we used to do? Remember how we planned to always understand. Trying to find you, trying to find a way to start a life anew. Sis Len Alabe, 'cause if you leave me, there's no tomorrow, only yesterday and time to feel. 'Cause if you leave me, there's no more laughter, only sadness stays. Thank you, Sis Clarice, another 100 stars. All the time I know you're just about to go. I can't let you make this one last final break. Trying to tell you, trying to tell myself, you still might find a way. 'Cause if you leave me, there's no tomorrow, only yesterday and time to feel. 'Cause if you leave me, there's no more laughter, only sadness days and always weep. Thank you, Sis Clarice, thank bumisita sila. Thank you, Teacher Marlene. Thank you. 7,000 the house with 200 stars. Thank you. There's no tomorrow, only yesterday, and time to feel. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Yes, 7,000 the house. My God, meron na naman. Thank you so much sa 201 stars. Yes, thank you so much, Clarice, from the bottom of my heart. Ikaw palagi talaga. Basta dito ako. Anyway, may shout out po sa lahat. Yes, may shout out for those who are with us. Sis Gloria Danayon Robles, thank you so much. May Kalahi family, nandito po sila with us. And of course, my co-teachers sa Zamboanga City High School. And of course, mga friends natin who are also with us. Maraming salamat po. Yes. And sige lang. Sabi mo nga 30 minutes lang ako dito and then ta-transfer ako sa sa YT. Pero parang gusto ko na rin dito. Thank you so much. Sis Clarice, 300 ka na. Sis Clarice, Clarissa Sungkad, Sis Clarice Channel is one of my sisters yan sa Kalahi community. Thank you so much for the support, everyone. Of course, Sis Clarissa. Okay, I'll sing your favorite song. Francisca Silveo Bayhon. Hello, cousin. Cousin ko. Okay, cousin ko ito, Francisca Silveo Bayhon. A teacher, yes, sa Basilan. O, napakalayo, diba? Kumusta, Kas? Okay, nagpagwapa kagid. About Diyos ko, ikaw diba? Mas sobra ka pa kagwapa. Sige, nagpungko lang ko dire kay more than a year wala ko naka-live, diba? So, may kakantahin ako ha. Okay. Ito ba? Nakalimutan ko. One day, ano ba yun? Nakalimutan ko yung song na gusto ko kantahin. Perla si Umangos, my good neighbor. Dira na lang ka. Diri na lang ko magkanta. And of course, yung smart student, Ruel Ignacio. May shout out sa inyo lahat. And of course, Julie Toralba. Aba, mga estudyante ko, 10,000 the house with 301 palipad. Yes, thank you so much. Okay. So, practice 101. Okay man, agwapa. Ikaw talaga ka, ha? Ikaw talaga, ha? One day, at nakalimutan ko kung anong yung song. Tinan mo. Yan talaga, basta senior citizen ka na. Miss you, ma'am. I miss you. Oo. Anyway, next week, kita-kits tayo sa school. Malapit na. Sis Bea Amboy, kumusta ka dyan? And of course, we have with us Sir Kennedy, Sarmiento teacher, Kennedy. Oo. Sis Bea Amboy is with us. Mag-love shout out. Yes. So, may isa akong song and this is for you all. Yeah. Shout out to 8,000 the house. Thank you so much. This will give inspirations. You'll be inspired of this song. Yes. I'm only human. I'm just a woman. Help me believe in what I could be and all that I am. Show me the stairway. Teach me strength to do every day what I have to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. Lord, help me today, show me the way, one day at a time. With us, Sir Willie! Sir Willie Villar Kakal, ano nangyari? Bakit sa FB mamaya? YouTube na ako. Welcome here. Oo, more than a year naman ako hindi umupo dito sa FB eh. Do you remember when you walked among men? Well, Jesus, you know, if you're looking below, it's worse now than then. Pushing and shouting, that's clouded my mind. So for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. One day at a time, sweet Jesus, that's all I'm asking of you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. Lord, help me today, show me the way, one day at a time. Walang practice. Inday G, Lazada, Milaong, kumusta ka na dyan? Balik ka na sa Dubai, Noda. See you soon. Diba, Sir Maestro, Sir Willie? Kita-kits na naman tayo. Thank you, everyone. Sinumahan niyo ako. Buenas tardes. Maraming salamat. Happy weekend. Enjoy your Saturday. One day at a time, sweet Jesus, that's all I'm asking of you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. Lord, help me today, show me the way, one day at a time. Lord, help me today, show me the way, one day at a time. Sis Clarice, again, thank you so much. Yun. Oh, yun, diba? Salamat sa 311 stars! Oh my God! Thank you so much! O yun! Maraming salamat, maraming salamat. Okay, medyo mabilisan naman tayo. Yes! Thank you! Muchísimas gracias! Think I'll go out to Alberta, where there's good there in the fall. I got some friends that I could go working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times or more. Four strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high. Oh, those things that don't change, come what may. Thank you, Sis Clarice. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm ever back this way. Thank you for the 412 stars. If I get there before the snow flies, and if things are looking good, you could meet me if I send you down the fair. But by then it would be winter, not too much for you to do, and those winds sure can blow cold way out there. Ooh! For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. The good times are all gone, so I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I never back this way. 412 stars! Oh my God! Sis Clarice, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. More blessings. So you, sis, alam ko, malapit na. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I never back this way. I look for you if I never back this way. Ayun! Thank you so much. Yes. Basta maraming salamat. Okay. For joining. Yes. Maraming salamat sa 35 tamsaks. Yes. Hindi ko makita kung sino-sino ang mga kasama ko dito. Yes. Hindi ko makita. Kaya ka mga ubandi mo yung aki. I'm so sorry. Ang makita ko lang. Oo. Anyway, thank you so much. Thank you so much. 412 stars. Thank you so much. Yeah. So, matagal na tayo dito. More than an hour na ba? O wala pa? Okay. One more song? One more song? One more song ba? Okay. Isa sa mga paboritong kanta ni Sis Clarice Channel. Sis Clarice, ano nga yun? Please, give me the title of that song. Sis Clarice, please. Give me the title of that song. Kalimutan ko Oo, nakanta ko yun sa YT. Okay, kinakanta ko yun. Kinakanta ko yun. Bakit? Hindi nag-a-appear yung mga comment dito Hindi nag-a-appear mga comment dito. Okay, kay Inday G ako nag-stop. Anyway, thank you so much for joining. Sige daw, tingnan ko muna ha. Baka meron ako hindi na. Okay, meron ako hindi na. Okay, Sis Bea Amboy, you're still there with Sir Willie. And of course, with the 5 others who are watching with you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. Without you there, wala din ako dito. Yes. Okay. Sir Maestro, ano nga yung kanta ni paborito ni Sis Clarice? Nakalimutan ko. Yung kinakanta ko ba, sir, ba sa YT? Kalimutan ko talaga, sir. Huwag ka na reklamo, sir, ha? Kasi ganun talaga, basta pareho lang tayo edad. Pareho lang tayo edad. 800 viewers. Thank you so much. Sis Clarice, ano nga yung paborito mong kanta, Sis Clarice? I forgot na din. My God, ito na ba talaga, Sis Clarice? Oo. Ano ba yung kanta natin, no, Sis Clarice, no? Kalimutan ko talaga. Ay, ewan, wala talaga. Maisip ko yan pag wala na ako dito. But anyway, kakantahin ko yun mamaya Okay, kakantahin ko yun mamaya pag nasa YT na ako. Yun na lang siguro, di ba? Yun na lang. Okay, Gloria Robles. Sis Gloria Robles, you're still there. Okay, so kanta na lang ako ng iba. Okay. So, this could be my second to the last song. Second to the last na ba? Tagalog. A Tagalog song. A Tagalog song. Okay, dito tayo. Medyo mataas ito, but I'll try. I'll try. Okay, wala naman masama. Hindi naman masama, no, pag you'll try. Anyway, practice 101 lang ito dito. Anyway, thank you. Okay. Nakalimutan ko talaga si Clarice. Ano ba yon? Ano ba ito? Yan na ba talaga? Nakabagbag damdamin. Okay. You're very familiar with the song. Yes. Masasalubong man lang ba kita? Subalit ako'y mag-aalala kung ako ay mahal mo ba? Thank you, Sis Clarice. Subalit ako'y mag-aalala kung ako ay mahal mo pa. Kahit pa anong hadlang mananatili ka. maisip yung paborito ni ano. Is Clarice, oo. Hindi talaga pumapasok sa isip ko. Ba, ito na ba talaga, no, Sir Will, no? Sir Maestro, ito na ba talaga, no? Pag medyo, sabi natin, lampas 60 ng edad. Diba? Oh, sinasabi ko lang totoo. Aba, nagpadala siya ng 10 stars. Thank you, Sir Maestro. 422 stars. Maraming salamat. Diba? Kisses, 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 kisses. Thank you so much. Hindi ko talaga maisip yung yung paborito ni Sis Clarice. Grabe naman itong utak ko. Ay, grabe talaga. O ano ba ang kantahin ko para akong dito? Ito. Sabi ko kanina, second to the last song. Hindi kakantahin ko. Bilang lang niya. It's just a number. Totoo. It's just a number ang edad. O, syempre. Pareho tayo Number lang yan oo. Walang no difference at all. Sabi nila, diba? As long as you're happy with your life, positive lang. Gusto kong tumawa diba? Boring ako dito kaya kita niyo ako dito sa FB. Oh my God po. Dito na tayo. Simula tayo. Last song ko na ito, ha? Kasi nagsuslow connection na siya. Diba? Ewan ko ba, sir? Binabayaran ko talaga yung wifi na yan. Pero nagsuslow connection pa. You are the candle, love's the flame, a fire that burns through wind and rain. Shine your light on this heart of mine to the end of time. You came to me like the dawn through the night, still shining like the sun. Did your test out of my dreams and into my life. You are the one, you are the one. Did your test said I loved you, but I lied, 'cause this is more than love I feel inside. Said I loved you, but I was wrong, 'cause love could never, ever feel so strong. Said I loved you, but I lied. Dear Tess, Labrado Aguiling, thank you, Buenas tardes. With all my soul, I've tried in vain. How can the words my heart explain this taste of heaven, so deep, so true? I found in you, teacher, so many reasons, in so many ways. My life has just begun. Yeah, need you forever, I need you to stay. You are the one, you are the one. Anissa said I loved you, but I lied. Teacher Anissa. Anna, naulaw na kumakanta. Mate, Ay, nawala na ako. Uy, my golly. And of course, we have with us, Sis Julie Del Rosario. Oh, teacher! Nor, Palek, aba. Ulaw na kumakanta, di ba? Anyway, good afternoon mga starters. Ang gandang hapon. Thank you for joining. Sabi ko nga, second to the last song o last song ko na yun eh. Nagsidatingan sila. I thank you for the 422 stars. And of course, maraming salamat sa 5,000 in the house who are with me right now. Pa-shout out, ma'am. Okay, shout out to sir. Master Teacher Nor Hedjil Palek, and of course to Teacher Anisa Indasan Amil, and to everyone here, of course Teacher Tess Labrado Aguiling, sa lahat-lahat po. Nice voice po. I see, oh, si Julie baby. Oh, thank you so much for joining. Yes, more than a year hindi ako nagpakita dito. Said I loved you, but I lied. 'Cause this is more than love I feel inside. Said I loved you, but I was wrong. 'Cause love could never ever feel so strong. More pa daw. Ikaw talaga, ha? Sabi ko nga last na eh. Sige na lang. But I lied. Thank you everyone. Ang mga kasama ko sa YouTube, sabi nila, why are you here? Sa FB ka man? Okay, sabi ko, 30 minutes lang ako sa FB. Pero parang nagustuhan ko rin. Anyway, oo. Mate Bernie! Sir Bernie Alvarez, wag ka dyan mag-comment, ha? Hindi ayo pwede kanta luego. Hindi ayo pwede kanta. No man comment, Sir Bernie. Anyway, maraming salamat. Okay, sige. I'll try. Teacher Tess, Agiling, I'll try. Madamo, gid nga salamat sa pag-shout out. Yes, and to everyone here, maraming salamat for joining. Yes, sige lang. Ano ba yun? Okay. Yes. Anyway, dito na po tayo. Kaya ko ba ito? Oo. Okay, I'll try. Requested by Teacher Tess. Again. She's faced the hardest times you could imagine, and many times her eyes brought back the tears. And when her youthful world was about to fall away, it's time her slender shoulders bore the weight of all her fears. And the sorrow no one hears still rings in midnight silence in her ears. Let her cry, for she's a lady. Let her dream, for she's a child. Upon her Prexy Gracie Munar, teacher, she's a free and gentle flower growing wild. And if by chance I should hold her, let me hold her for a time. But if allowed just one possession, I would pick her from the garden to be mine. Thank you, Teacher Nor. 4,000 stars. Thank you. Kisses for you. Malutong. Oh, Teacher Yana Ray, thank you. Be careful how you touch her, for she'll awaken. And sleep's the only freedom that she knows. Love you, love you. And when you walked into her eyes, you want to believe the way she's always paying for a debt she never owes. And the silent wind still blows that only she can hear it. So she goes. Let her cry, for she's a lady. Let her dream, for she's a child. Let her rain fall down upon her. She's a free and gentle flower growing wild. Let her cry, for she's a lady. Let her dream, for she's a child. Let the rain fall down upon her. She's a free and gentle flower growing wild. She's a flower growing wild. Thank you, Teacher Dara. Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. And kisses for you all.
So,
Yes.
why you-
Thank you. My God, di na ako makaalis dito. Thank you for the 50 stars, Teacher Nara. Thank you for the 472 stars. Maraming salamat po. Basta, thank you so much. Okay. So... Oh, my golly. Aba! Teacher Elvin! Thank you, Teacher Elvin, for joining. Nakasilip ka. Maraming salamat. Okay. Naghanap ako ng song na medyo mababa lang. Our good friend, Ken Prociano is watching. Yes. Dito muna ako. Bro, thank you. Dito muna ako. Maya na ako mag-whitey. Anyway, kanta-kanta lang ito. Okay. So, another song, and this for you all. Maraming salamat. Okay. May Kalahi family, mga co-teachers who are with us right now. And of course, mga friends natin who are always with us, supporting us. Maraming salamat. Thank you for the 472 stars. Thank you. One song. It's for all of you. Enjoy my not so good voice. You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. The finest years I ever knew. Sir John, we're all the years I had with you, and I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home, and I would give everything I own YT, maya na ako sa, dito muna ako sa FB, maya na ako sa YT ha. You've never said too much, but still you shot away, and I knew from watching you, nobody else could ever know the part of me that can't let go. And I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home, and I would give everything I own just to have you back again. Is there someone you know, you're loving them so, but taking them all for granted? You may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and they don't hear the words you long to say. And I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home, and I would give everything I own just to have you back again, just to touch you once again. Thank you, Sir June! Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you sa 100 stars! Yes! Thank you sa 572 stars! My golly! More than a year hindi ako dito umupo. Maraming nangyari sa isang taon. Yes. So, mga close friends ko, they're aware kung ano nangyari. So, usually, umuupo ako, hindi paminsan-minsan lang talaga sa YouTube. So, finally, dito na ako with you. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes. Sir June, okay, thank you so much. Akala mo ha, palagi ako. Ayoko lang mag-comment. Pero sa mga graduation mo, present ako ha. Akala mo. Sakit yan. Masakit yan ko sa tawa palagi. Pero kung minsan ba, umaga ka na nagla-live, kaya palagi lang ako replay. Anyway, for you all, outside the rain begins, and it may never end, so cry no more on the shore. A dream will take us out to sea forevermore, forevermore. Close your eyes and you can be with me beneath the waves, through the caves of arms long forgotten now. This is Miracle. Geraldine Pureza, thank you for joining. Close the window, come the light, and it will be alright. No need to bother now. Let it out, let it all begin. Learn how to pretend. She's scared, thank you. Once a story is told, it can't help but grow old. Roses do, lovers do, so cast your seasons to the wind. In diving and hold me dear, oh, hold me dear. Close the window, come the light, 72 stars. Thank you. Oh, my golly. Kisses, 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 kisses for you all. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Miss you, Day Eva. All forgotten now, my love. We're all alone. Thank you so much. Ayun. Nagsuslow connection daw eh. Nagsuslow connection. I do not know kung paano, ano ang dating ko dyan kasi nagsuslow connection siya. Anyway, ay sorry, nabusog ako sa hangin. Sabi ko nga 1 hour lang ako dito. Na ako nakaalis. Dumating kina Sir June. Anyway, maraming salamat po. Yes. And mega lang shoutout sa lahat. And good af. Anong oras na ba? Yes. Good evening. It's 6:20 p.m. My golly. Matagal na ako dito. And this is for... nakanta ko na po ito, diba? Nakanta ko na ito. Yes. Nakanta ko na yan. Yes. So, kumusta po? Aba, another, bro, yataki, tamaki, tombi. Diba? Sa YouTube, never ka nagparamdam. Dito sa FB, nagpaparamdam ka, ha? Nagparamdam ka dito, ah. Anyway, maraming salamat. Maayong gabi, ma'am. Maayong gabi, sabi mo. Oo. Okay, so thank you. Nagparamdam ka. Sa FB wala. I mean sa YouTube, ha. Pero diri sa FB nagparamdam ka. Anyway, thank you everyone. Practice 101, ha. Star senders, thank you. Baby, you don't know me any more than I know you, and I wouldn't blame you if you walked away. I've been watching you all evening with the teardrops in your eyes, and it touches me much more than I can say. You know I hate to think that someone could have hurt someone like you, and if I was them, I'd be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your voice in my pocket, rest your love on me. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your voice in my pocket, rest your love on me. Thank you for staying. Saw you in the corner on the moment I walked in. Saw your lonely face across the room. No, I won't forget it, and the way it might have been. Why did you have to leave so soon? You know I hate to think that someone could have loved you more than me, and at times like this I'd be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your voice in on me wide. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in a bucket, rest your love on me. Casamelita Serilo is watching. Mayong gabi dyan. And regards, with regards sa tanan. Okay, kumusta? Yes. Ayun. Sis Clarice, hindi talaga natin naisip, no? Kung ano yun. Okay. So, ano ba? Last song ko na? Pwede na? Pwede na ba? Pwede na. Pwede naman siguro. Aha. Pwede na. Pwede na. Siyempre. Okay. May hinahanap kasi ako. Hindi naman. Okay, I'll try this song. Thank you so much. Star senders ko po. Thank you for the 672 stars. Oh, dinagdagan ni Sir June, Sis Clarice. Grabe naman kayo. Paminsan-minsan na ako umupo dito. Oo, naka 672 stars. Ako nabuhay na naman ang FB ko. Thank you so much. Yes. Oh, si bro natin nataki, Tamaki Tombi. O, diba? Kalahi yan. Sa YouTube, hindi nagpaparamdam. Pero dito sa FB, nagparamdam. Thank you everyone. Maraming salamat. Sis Miracle, I know you're there. Maraming salamat. And to everyone here, especially to my Kalahi family, of course, salamat. At saka sa lahat ng mga friends ko, okay, who are with us right now. Basta andito ka, syempre, friends tayo. Please forgive me if I can't say no to you. It still feels like a first night together. Feels like the first kiss, and it's getting better, baby. No one can better this. Still holding on, you're still the one. Manager Rowena Tagal, the first time our eyes met, the same feeling I get only feels much stronger. I don't wanna love you longer. You still turn the fire on. So if you're feeling lonely, don't. You're the only one I ever want. I only wanna make it good. So if I love you a little more than I should, please forgive me. I know not what I do. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. Don't deny me this pain I'm going through. Please forgive me if I need you like I do. Please believe me, every word I say is true. Please forgive me, I can't stop loving you. Manager Rowena Santos Tagal, buenas noches. Nakasilip si ma'am. Still feels like our best times together. Feels like the first touch. We're still getting closer, baby. Can't get close enough. Still holding on, you're still number one. I remember the smell of your skin. I remember everything. I remember all your moves. I remember you, yeah. I remember never need you like I do. Oh, believe me, every word I say is true. Please forgive me, can't stop loving you. Ate Emily, thank you for joining. Present, yes. Maraming salamat, Emily. And of course, Langga Jenny Obaldo, Teacher Irene, thank you so much. To my star senders, 672 stars. Maraming salamat. This is Clarice Channel. And of course, Sir June, maraming salamat for sending stars. Binuha niyo po ang FB ko. Please forgive me. Thank you so much. Ate Milet, thank you.
You don't have to rush for the minute.
Yes. Kanina pa sabi ko, second to the last song. Kasi sana, kung bababa na talaga sa mga 3, so I have to go. Pero, nagdadagdag. Taumenta man. Anyway, gracias gayod for joining. gracias for joining. And bigla shout out sa lahat. And of course, thank you. Congrats. Congrats talaga. Ha, Ate Melit, thank you. Congrats talaga. Namiss ako ng FB ko eh. Oo, diba? More than a year hindi ako nagparamdam sa FB ko. Okay, hindi ako umupo dito sa trono ko. So finally, dito na ako. Bukas na lang ang YT. Bukas na lang. Sabi ko kanina, Temilet, sabi ko, bisitahin ko kaya yung FB ko for 30 minutes na before going, sabi ko sa YT. Aba, natagalan ako dito. Let's go, gitara! Practice 101. It's to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. Find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. Siciliana Labay, thank you. I was once like you are now, and I know that it's not easy to be calm when you found something going on. Take your time, think a lot, think of everything you've got, for you'll still be here tomorrow, but your dreams may not. Diana Labay, now thank you so much for joining. Cici, how can I try to explain? When I do, he turns away. It's always been the same old story. From the moment I could talk, I was older to listen. Shout out, Sir Joseph Wynn, of course. Sis Ma'am Maynard Lawrence. Ma'am May. Thank you for joining. Wala lang, diyan aboroto lang yung okay. Sir Joseph. Shout out to you too. Maraming salamat for the 672 stars. Make love shout out. Good evening to 900 who are with us right now. Yun ang boroto lang yung okay. Ablayo sa'yo, 30 minutes lang naman yung pwede levanta. Ate Milet. And see you soon sa Mangasri High School, eh. And of course, co-op. See you soon. Thank you. It's not time to make a change. Just sit down, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to go through. Find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. All the times that I cried, hiding all the things I knew inside. It's hard, but it's harder to ignore it. If they're right, I'd agree, but it's them to you, not me. There's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go. Oh, bagong gising, taong bagong gising, bal ay talin. Patapos na ako. Ano ka ba? Patapos na talaga ako. Tapos, dumating ka. Ano ba yan? Anyway, sige, tuloy tayo. Okay. Tuloy tayo ng
Youngstown Corned Beef.
okay, 2 songs lang ha. Kasi sobra na ako dito, 1 oras. Thank you, Star Senders, for giving me 672 stars. Thank you. Mira to, binaboroto gachoki. Nako, tulog ako. Oo, tulog ka lang sa pansitan, sa kangkungan pa. Anyway, maraming salamat po to everyone. Okay. Hit back. Sa edad. Thank you, everyone. I started a talk which started the whole world crying. But I didn't see that the talk was on me. Started to cry, which started the whole world laughing. How if I promise that the joke was on me. I looked at the skies, running my over my eyes, and I fell out of bed, turning my head from the things that I've said, till I finally died, which started the whole world living. How fine this that the door was on me. I looked at the skies, running my hands over my eyes, giving my last song. Totoo na talaga ha. Maganda ito eh. Okay. You are very familiar with this song. Oo, sabi nga nila, isa-isa lang. Kasi daw, pag sobra, nako, mahirap. Okay, ito na. Thank you! Once again, I wanna say thank you. I'm so grateful po dahil sinamahan niyo po ako. Yes, 8,000 the house who are with me right now. Okay, maraming salamat. Okay, at saka sa napaka-generous kong star senders, thank you for giving me 672 stars. Nabuhay po ang FB ko after ang FB ko sa FB live ko after a year because of you. Yes, tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo and ingat-ingat lang po tayo. Yes, and basta spread love. Love. Thank you. I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much too long. Oh, I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what a struggle it would be. In my tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Torn between the lover and the love you leave behind. You're headed for disaster, 'cause you never read the signs. Too much love will kill you every time. Thank you for 5, 6, 7, 8 who are with me right now. Thank you. Yes, thank you, special people who are with me right now. I'm just a shadow of the man I used to be, and it seems like there's no way out of this for me. I used to bring you sunshine. Now all I ever do is bring you down. Oh, how would it be if you were standing in my shoes? Did change? Can't you see that it's impossible to choose? No, there's no making sense of it. Everywhere you go, I'm bound to lose. Oh, too much love will kill you, just assure us none at all. It'll drain the power that's in you and make you bleed and scream and crawl. And the pain will make you crazy. You're the victim of your crime. Too much love will kill you every time. Sir Joseph, thank you for sending. Oh my God, 150 stars. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Joseph, wherever you are. Yes. Enjoy lang to. Sir Joseph, thank you. Sir John, of course, Clarice Channel, thank you for the 922 stars and another 100 stars, Sir Joseph. Thank you so much. Woo! Kunti na lang, mag 1,000 na. Yes, too much love will kill you. It'll make your life alive. Yes, too much love will kill you. much love will kill you. Woo! Sir Joseph! In the end. Sir Joseph, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Thank you for the 1,022 stars. Oh my God, thank you. My first time. My first time, isang upo lang. Binigyan niyo po ako ng 1,022 stars. Thank you so much. Grabe. Grabe. Yes. Grabe. Okay, sige na lang. Extend ako because of that. Maraming salamat, Sir Joseph. Are you still? Well, nandiyan ka pa ba? So enjoy wherever you are. Yes, with your friends. Yes, after all, isang buhay lang tayo meron. Spread love. Thank you! Maraming salamat po. Yes, sa mga binigyan ng stars. Yes. So, okay. Tuloy-tuloy na po tayo. Okay. Ikaw talaga, Sir Joseph, ha? Yes, enjoy lang, Sir Joseph, ha? Okay. After all, we have to love ourselves. And see you soon. Thank you, everyone, and good evening. May shout out po sa lahat. Ang ingay ko. You ask me if I love you, and I talk on my reply. I'd rather hurt you honestly than mislead you with a lie. And who am I to judge you on what to say or do? I'm only just beginning to see the real you. Sister Rose, and sometimes when you touch, the honesty is too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. Sister Rose Orense, thank you for joining. Romance and all its strategy leaves me battling with my pride, but through the insecurity, some tenderness survives. I'm just another writer, still trapped within my truth, a hesitant prize fighter, still trapped within my youth. And sometimes when we touch, the honesty is too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. Madam Edna Aitalin, good evening. Till the fear in me subsides. Thank you for joining po. At times I'd like to break you and drive into your knees. At times I'd like to break through and hold you endlessly. Madam Florenda Quinte, at times I understand you, and I know how hard you've tried. I've watched while love commands you, and I've watched love pass you by. At times I think we're drifters, still searching for a friend, a brother or a sister. But then the passion flares again. Oh, and sometimes when we touch, the honesty is too much, and I have to close my eyes and I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. Thank you for joining po, and good evening. Yes. Ma'am Florenda Quinte, Ma'am Flor, thank you. Tanaboroto Layuki. And of course, Madam Edna Italin, welcome here and thank you. And Sis Rose Orensa, thank you for joining po. Yes. And palagi na lang ako nagsasabi, I'm giving my last song. Pag may makita akong, well, importanteng tao sa akin, at saka syempre, love ko rin. Okay, so I'm giving another song because of my two last. Yung mga bagong dalawa. Yung dalawa, kapapasok lang. Anyway, thank you so much. Wala, ma'am. Tanaboroto lang yung okay, another song. Isa pa daw, oh, sabi ni Baltic. Okay, isa pa daw. Spread love, be a bridge over troubled water. After all, we are in this world to love, not to hate. No hating. When you're weary, feeling small, and tears are in your eyes, I'll dry them all. I'm on your side. Oh, when times get rough and friends just can't be found, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down, like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down. Thank you, everyone, and good evening po. God bless us all. This will be my last song. Maraming salamat po. When you're down and out, when you're on the street, and evening falls so hard, I will comfort you. I'll take your part. Oh, when darkness comes and pain is all around, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down, like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down. Thank you, everyone, and God bless us all po. Thank you for the 1,022 stars. stars. Maraming salamat sa mga star senders ko po. Yes, from the bottom of my heart. Maraming salamat po sa malutong na kiss. Ceylon silver girl, Ceylon pine, your time has come to shine. All your dreams are on the way. See how they shine. Oh, if you need a friend, I'm sailing right behind, like a bridge over troubled water. I will ease your mind, like a bridge over troubled water. I will ease your mind. Thank you, everyone. God bless us all. Yes. Ingat po tayo lahat. And good evening. Thank you po sa lahat. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Okay, baka nakalimutan ko po i-mention mga names nyo po. But from the bottom of my heart, thank you for joining. Thank you sa mga star senders ko pa. Kisses for you all. Ooh, I'm so happy. More than a year hindi ako umupo dito. And finally, sinamahan nyo po ako. From the bottom of my heart again. So thankful. Maraming salamat. And good evening. May shout out po sa lahat. Sis Gloria Robles and everyone here. Love you all po. Maraming salamat. And bye. Good evening. Yes. Papa God, thank you. We should be grateful to Him. Yes. Siya lang po ang nakakaalam. Maraming salamat po.